Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to do unboxing and haul from the Sephora spring sale event that is going on right now. So if you guys watching this, it is still on, but yeah, let's go started. So for this video, I'm going to unboxing and haul the first box that I've got because they separated some of the products. I think it's because of one of them it is a perfume and the other one it is a foundation or kind of tinted moisturizer. So I will do another video for that one. For now, I'm going to show you guys this box. I received this one yesterday and I was like, I need to do a video for this one right away because I'm not gonna be lazy again to do it and then just forget about it like I did last year in the spring 2021. So here it is. I already opened it because I took it off the address I have in here on the top. So here it is. I'm gonna take this off. First I have in here is the Rare Beauty Silliness Faves. These are 4-piece mini set. They have the Dewy Liquid Blush, Liquid Luminizer, Matte Lip Cream, and Universal Volumizing Mascara. I think this one, it came out last year when they have the Volumizing Mascara, the new one. And I've got the regular size or the bigger size, so they have the mini size. I think this one it is $30 and as of now it's not available to their website and I don't know why. Maybe they finally took it off or it is sold out, or I don't know. We can't find it anymore. So first I have the mascara right here. This is the shade Black and it's made in Italy. And this one, it is 0.0 ml and it is 0.27 fluid ounces. So I will open it for you guys. So just to make sure you can see it how it is. I haven't used the regular size of this one because I have a lot of open mascaras and I don't want to get all of them to get dried. So we'll see if I don't know when am I going to clean up, but probably soon. I might gonna do a little bit of declutter, not a huge one, because as of now my makeup collection, I'm kind of content about the products I have in my collection. So here it is. So the packaging, it is really matte and it does have the logo of Rare Beauty. So here it is. I can't test it out right now because I have falsies and a different mascara on my eyes, so it's a nonsense to test it out. So next I have in here is the I think this is a cream, matte lip cream in shade of Inspire. I have the what do you call this? I have the old one of this. I have the mini duo matte lip cream they had. I have the Inspire and the Fearless. So far I don't like the texture or the finish on this ones because it looks like kind of they look like a tinted lip balm, kind of like that, but they're not really full coverage. So they are velvety, so they're not really like kind of full coverage, like a matte full coverage. So far I'm still playing with them, but they're not that bad though. So I have a new one, so I might gonna keep this one as a backup of the Inspire. And the next ones I've got here are a cheek products. I have the Dewy Blush, the Dewy Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Joy, and we have the liquid luminizer in Mesmerize. I'm going to swatch them a little bit here. So it does have a regular doe food applicator. So here it is. And then we have Joy, which is a dewy finish. I don't know if this is gonna work on me, but we'll see. So if I'm going to blend them, this is how they're gonna be look like. So we've got here still Rare Beauty. I've got the soft pinch matte liquid blush in the shade of Love. I've been eyeing this one for so long, ever since Rare Beauty launched in Sephora, but it's just that it's not on my budget as of that time. But now I have a little bit of money to splurge this month because it is my birth month, so I decided to buy them. So this one, it does have 0.25 fluid ounces or 7.5 ml, and still the same applicator but bigger size. And then whoa, it does have a lot of product in the foot applicator. Here it is. Then we're gonna blend it. So here it is. It is really nice, smooth, and this one, it is nice in spring to summer shade, which is nice, and also around kind of fall. Patrick Ta this is like upside down. I think this is their double take cream and powder blush duo, and I believe this is the new shade under this line, and it's in the shade She's Bake. So here it is. The only thing I don't like about this is that I can see my face in here, and it will have a lot of fingerprints, like the Natasha Denona's like glam face eye palette. So it does have a mirror right here, and here it is. It is much more of a dark, really like a dark shade compared to the previous blush we had in here. So here is the cream and the powder, and I've been seeing a lot of the reviews and stuff that they said that he said that put the powder first and then apply the cream after. So I don't know how it will work on me but usually I put the cream first and then powder so that I can set the blush, the cream blush. The next one I've got here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer. It does have 12 ml or 0.4 fluid ounces here. I've got the shade number 8. I don't know if this is gonna be a right shade for me. And I believe this one is new last year. I think it's either last year holiday, like kind of like that. So here it is. It is really big, by the way. It looks like a mascara container or a packaging. So here it is, number 8. And then I'm going to show you guys the applicator. Same thing, doe foot applicator. And here it is. I believe it looks lighter, but I guess it's gonna work for me because usually I use my concealer as a under eye, like brightening under eye concealer, or like the like kind of conceal a little bit on my nose. So here it is. I think it's okay. And by the way, this one is matte. I think it is a matte finish, the Dior Forever Natural Bronze, and I've got the shade number 5, and I've got this one because of the packaging. Like I said, it is my birth month and I want to splurge a little bit, so I bought this one first. But I didn't get a chance to get the highlighter, the quads, like a quad highlighters they have. They are always sold out. So here it is. The packaging is really nice. It's like cushiony, and then here it is. It does have a mirror, and it does have this cover here, the shade. Wait, it does have a scent a little bit, but it smells like a bougie. Really bougie. So this is the first time I've got a bougie or luxury makeup products in my collection, so I am kind of like, wow, really, is this me? So the next ones I've got is the birthday gift, or the Beauty Insider gift. It says here, joyeux anniversaire. It says happy birthday in French, and I've got the Laura Mercier kind of duo. They have the eyeshadow stick and the powder. And the powder, it is the translucent shade, and the cream, the stick eyeshadow, it is in the shade of strapless. Yeah, strapless, and it does have doesn't say. So it is a 1 gram, and it is made in USA. The same thing as this one. Does have 5 grams in here, and I believe this is made in USA also. So I will have this. So, and then I am excited about the eyeshadow stick though, because this is how it is. It is really nice, and it is a perfect amount, because usually I don't really use a stick eyeshadow. So here it is. I think it can be used as a base for the eyeshadow first, or maybe a eyeliner maybe. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys didn't get like bored or whatever. We'll see when I'm going to get the another box, because of I have, I think, 3 more products in there. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Bye.